I did not go into this decision lightly. And if I had a chance of improving my quality of life, I was going to give it a whirl. And so that led to knee replacement surgery. My experience with Faith Regional, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, I'd say maybe a 15. This was an incredibly positive experience for me in every way. Did we make our goal to do this bucket list trip? Oh yes. I snorkeled with the giant turtles in the Galapagos Islands. I saw it all. I participated in everything. At this point, being about a year and a half out, I could not be more pleased with this result. When I needed a total knee replacement, I had faith.